Elon Musk just hit a major roadblock in court. A Tesla whistleblower's victory is shaking things up. Could this change Tesla's future? Let's find out. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into a bombshell story. Elon Musk and Tesla just lost a big legal battle against whistleblower Christina Ballin, who was fired for raising safety concerns. Reported this April 16, 2025, ruling is sparking major buzz on X. Stick around to see what went down and what's next for Tesla. Christina Ballin, a Tesla engineer, raised alarms back in 2014 about a design flaw that could mess with Tesla's braking system. Instead of praise, she was fired. Ballin didn't back down, launching a legal fight that's lasted years. On April 16, 2025, she won a key appeal. This victory means her case could head to jury trial, where she'll face off against Musk and Tesla in open court. Ballin said that she's ready to hold Tesla accountable for safety and transparency. This isn't just a personal win, it's a signal to whistleblowers everywhere. Why does this matter? Tesla has been under fire before, but this loss hits hard. X posts are buzzing with reactions. Some are calling it a wake-up call for Musk's empire. Ballin's win could inspire more whistleblowers to speak out, especially with over 50 ongoing workplace safety cases at Tesla. It also raises questions about Tesla's culture. Is safety taking a backseat to speed? With Tesla's stock already down nearly half in 3 months, this legal drama could spook investors. But some people on X argue that Musk will bounce back. He's faced bigger storms. So, what's the next chapter? Ballin's gearing up for a new lawsuit, aiming for a jury trial to confront Musk directly. Tesla could face hefty fines or reputational damage if more safety issues surface. Meanwhile, Musk's juggling other legal fights like his $56 billion Tesla pay dispute and an SEC case over X stake disclosure. On X, fans are split. Some back Ballin for exposing risks, while others defend Musk, saying Tesla's innovating too fast for bureaucracy. One thing's clear, this battle's far from over. The story isn't just about Musk or Tesla, it's about accountability. Ballin's courage shows one person can challenge a giant like Tesla to prioritize safety. For Tesla drivers, this could mean safer cars down the line. For workers, it's a reminder to speak up. And for investors, it's a heads up on Tesla's risks. As Musk pushes for Mars missions and AI with XAI, this setback proves even he's not untouchable. The buzz on X says it all. People are watching and they're vocal. What do you think? Is Ballin a hero or is Musk being unfairly targeted? Jump into the comments and let us know.